What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and today we have a very special unboxing of the all new Redmi Note 7s. Now yes, I ordered this from Flipkart as you can see, so let's quickly go ahead and do the unboxing of this phone. Now I got this phone for a price of rupees 11,500 rupees. I got a 1500 rupees discount from that Axis card bank. So this is a very typical Flipkart package. You can see we have the phone box wrapped in this bubble wrap to protect the phone during the transit. So this is the box of the phone, the Redmi Note 7s, and let me check, all the seals are intact, so no tampering here. And on the back it have the specifications of the phone, like it has a huge display, a bigger battery, it has Onyx black color with the 464GB combination. So let's quickly break the seal and keep the top box aside and see what all contents we have. So on the top box we have the usual documentations like the user guide and the SAR value information, which we are not really interested in. And we have a typical black smoked case which is really plasticky, flimsy and really useless. We have the phone itself, the Redmi Note 7s. So on the front we have the basic information of the phone, and the phone has a glass sandwich design which is the Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and the back of the phone. So let's see what all we have inside. We have the USB type A to USB type C, which is very nice, and also this phone supports fast charging, but unfortunately this brick provided inside the box isn't fast charging compatible, so you can purchase one from Amazon, Flipkart, or you can get a better deal at AliExpress. So let me keep everything aside and give you a physical overview of the phone by the time the phone boots up. Of course the phone runs on MIUI 10 with Android 9 Pie, which is nice, but of course you can't expect stock Android. This is MIUI. So on the front we have a 6.3-inch LCD display with 13 megapixel of front facing camera and a dot notch display. We have the IR blaster on the top, 3.5mm earphone jack and secondary microphone for noise cancellation. On the bottom we have the USB type C for charging and data syncing, and we have the microphone and speaker. On the right hand side we have the power button and the volume keys. On the back we have a combination of 48 plus 5 megapixel of camera along with the fingerprint sensor, which is really fast. Unfortunately there is no wireless charging, but this phone has a special kind of splash resistant, or I think a bit of a water resistant, so this won't get destroyed if you have some splashes. So that's all for this video guys. I hope you like this video. Please do rate this video up, comment down in the comment section and subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is Aftab signing off.